Hi, please subscribe to Learning and Teaching and hit the bell button to get all the updates of Java and its frameworks. In this video, we are going to learn what is Spring Cloud for GCP and how is it done. First, let's understand what is Spring Cloud. Spring Cloud is basically a bunch of tools provided to Spring Developer as a service. To understand this, we need to be a little familiar with the types of services that are part of the cloud technology, right? Basically, we need to understand the differences between the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. That is, software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So, which service is this? Google Cloud Platforms functions as a service offering, that is FaaS. So this service provides a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services, right? So how does it do? So this project, Spring Cloud GCP as it called, project implements familiar Spring idioms and abstractions to bring the benefits of Spring and Spring Boot to Java developers using GCP services. As I said, GCP is an acronym for Google Cloud Platform, right? So also we know that Spring Boot is a rapid application development framework designed to simplify the development of standalone, production grade Spring apps that run with little Spring configuration, right? So what does this provide? Spring Cloud lets Java developers write more maintainable applications with less boilerplate code and simpler configuration and that are portable in a hybrid on-premises and cloud-based environment. Here when I say on-premises, okay, types. One is on-premises and cloud-based. When I say on-premises, it is not on cloud. Okay, so this provides tools for developers to quickly build common patterns in distributed systems. We all know what is a distributed systems, right? Okay, for example, a configuration management, micro proxy, cluster state, etc. For this concept, we should be knowing how JRE or uh, a JEE application works across distributed systems. Okay, so using this, Spring Cloud developers can quickly bring up the services and application that implement these patterns. So this is about Spring Cloud GCP 1.0 and the GA version which is out. Thank you for watching this video.